Hello students, in this video we will do question number first of exercise 4.3 class 9th maths. Its first question statement is draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. Linear equation is given. First equation is x plus y equal to 4. Now this is a linear equation in two variables, one is x and second is y. Now we will put the values. Firstly we will take value x equal to 1. You can take any other values. X equal to 1. Then we get 1 plus y. Here in place of x we will put 1. Then we get 1 plus y equal to 4. Therefore value of y is 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore x comma y points are 1 comma 3. Then secondly we will put value of x equal to 0. Then we get 0 plus y equal to 4. Therefore we get y equal to 4. Therefore next we get points x comma y as 0 comma 4. Now we have to plot the graph of these both points. First of all we have taken one line as x-axis and second as y-axis. Here on this side, right side, there are positive numbers of x-axis and on left side negative numbers of x-axis, and on the upper side y-axis positive numbers and downside negative numbers. Now first of all we will take point 1 comma 3, x value 1 and y's value 3. Then when we will join these both points we get this corner. This is known as 1 comma 3. Then secondly we have to plot the point 0 comma 4. Here is 0, x value and y's value is 4. Therefore this is the required point. Now we will join these both points and will draw a straight line. When we will join these both points we have taken a straight line which is known as x plus y equal to 4. This is a graph of this linear equation. Then second question is x minus y equal to 2. Now in the same way we will put values x equal to 0, then x equal to 1. When we will put x equal to 0 here in this equation, then we get 0 minus y equal to 2, and therefore value of y equal to minus 2. Therefore x comma y points are 0 comma minus 2. First point is this, and secondly we will take x equal to 1. Then again we will put value in this equation. We get 1 minus y equal to 2. Therefore y equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. Therefore required points are 1 comma minus 1. Now we will plot these both points on the line, on this line, and here is x-axis, here is y-axis. Now we have to plot these points. One point is 0 and minus 2. Here is 0 and minus 2 is here. Therefore it is a point 0 minus 2. And next we have to plot the point 1 minus 1. 1 is here of x and minus 1 is of y. Minus 1 will lie here on downside. Minus 1 here, sorry. Then when we will join these both points, these points will meet here. Now we will join these both points and will draw a straight line, which will be the graph of line x minus y equal to 2. Then third part is y equal to 3x. Then again we will take values x equal to 0. Firstly x equal to 0, then x equal to 1. When x equal to 0, then y equal to 3 multiplied by 0. 3 zeros are 0. When x equal to 1, then y equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Therefore required points are first is 0 0 and second is 1 comma 3. Now we will plot these points. First point is 0 0. 0 is value of x and next value again 0. This is value of y. Therefore it will lie here on the origin. Then second is x comma y. X point is 1 and y's value is 3. X value 1 will lie here and y's value 3 will lie here. Then on joining, when we will join these both points, we get this point will be 1 comma 3. Now we will draw a straight line using these both points. Then we get y equal to 3x, which is a required graph of y equal to 3x. Then fourth part is 3 equal to 2x plus y. Now when x equal to 0, then y equal to, now here it will become 2 zeros are 0, therefore y equal to 3. Then when x equal to 1, then y equal to 3 minus 2, because 2 ones are 2. Here we have taken value of x as 1. Therefore y equal to 1. Therefore these both points are values of x and y. One is 0 comma 3, second is 1 comma 1. Now this is x-axis, then this is y-axis. this is point. Firstly, we will plot point 0, 3. 0 is of x and 3 is of y. Then this is called 0, 3 point. And then 1, 1. 1 is of x and 1 is of y. Then on joining we get this point as 1, 1. Then with the help of scale, we will join these 2 points and will draw a straight line. The straight line which we get 3 equal to 2x plus y will be the graph of this straight line. Okay, thank you students. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, we will do the next questions of exercise 4.3. Thank you very much.